Wind power is a variable power source. It's not a fuel that's always there. It's a fuel that's going to change as the wind blows. So if all the wind turbines output are at maximum, we can power about 1 million customers with that output. That's about 5 to 7% of our total generation. Our job is to produce a load forecast that the operators can use every day to make sure that they have enough generation online to keep the lights on. So 10 years ago, there really wasn't much wind on the system at all. Since then, it's grown by about 12 to 1,400 megawatts of wind, which is a significant amount of wind. We needed to have a wind power forecast that's going to be provided for every wind plant in New England to make sure that we were going to have the resources that we need and what the output of those resources were going to be on an hourly basis. Each plant receives a wind power forecast that's specific to that plant, and the ISO uses that forecast in the calculation of the generation pattern for the next day. On a calm day, we don't expect to see as much power generation from the wind power resources as we would on a windy day. And to respond to that means that we have to bring on more generation from other types of resources, be it hydro or fossil fuels. We have to respond to the changes that we see coming or the changes that happen as a result of the changing weather patterns. If you're on a sailboat and the wind changes direction, then you're going to have to change your plan. If the wind dies out completely, you're going to have to change your plan completely. If your sailboat is equipped with a gas-powered engine, well, that could be your plan. So we have a wind power forecast to give us as much advance notice as we can get in order to change our plan. The next 20 years is going to be a lot more interesting than the last 20 years. There's going to be so many new technologies, not just in generating or load management, but forecasting as well, to operate the power system, to forecast demand, to run our houses on solar panels and batteries. And there's so many things that are new technology that are coming. The wind power is just the start.